mwana na ndo mwanchi umurigereria kerogendrete kubwatia mirobiri yonse yatasenyi kya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansubu mu Gusii charagire Chinsa Isato cyabona mugoroba ekerongo kwarigania SMS ya Amayia irongo manya ina kwariganire asenchira ere yobekiranu tonyora sensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asomo tandao Twitter na bago Twitter @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website ito na bago tonyora wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke ero togendre go sanga mankiri Katranyore gatiari ngwari andretie asenchirere yobwenye.
These are our leaders. Kwa hivyo tuwakubalie waingie wafanye kazi yao.
Abarayi bonse basikwena kwa wari bagago kore mirimo yabo bunebwenerete n'enkwana yo mugavana we county ya Kisii.
Kama serikali tumefanya mipango yote.
Murai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto ko eneke babekire merobere isaine yo konyora lige sarigi ya yo gotoriense ya Kenya kurwa senchara.
We as workers, Your Excellency, we must recognize the government as we work with the government of the day.
No muri kyomone nase kiombeki abakore meremo Francis Atwoli ko eneke abuna abakore meremo bonsi mbachi gokorega sine serikali. Hayo mlaenda mankengo kwariganire nkumanya senchira yo wekiranu retariane Evelyn Osero to kubatrana nere Joshua Auta kwene kya wekere asensemo yebimanyererio abarai abo bakorawa n'umugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati omonogeri we county assembly ya Kisii Dr. Philip Nyanumba egati abarai bande nigo baikirana se umusangirekano obwa masabo yentunde ntangani inse yo burai bwa yarati ayo akorekana ase amagacho cyabisi cye county assembly okwana chingakiye cyo nigo ati aliyeira yogotia kubwatrana barayibos beserekari ya county ya Kisii eriyo ikirania aliyaganire ase abananchi negatambukiro boigo kyago kerwa negatia barai abo baliyeira yogochiko bwatrana muri cyitondemo Stephen na Manke.
Before we do that, allow me to say
Nigo yari ntunde ntangani ya masabo ye county ya Kisii inse yo burayibo mugavano kabero Kisii Paul Simbarati. Gwetero moyegoyo nigo rentama abarai be bunge ya Kisii inse omonogeri Dr. Philip Nyanumba aba MCA be county aba waziri be county gati abarai bande ime ya Kisii abo barau nabateneri be kinyomba cyo gusasima koro kwege na ao ime ya Kisii.
ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم آمين وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم آمين ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة آمين وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار.
Ask the Lord to bless your plans and to be successful in carrying them out. The plans you have for your family, for your profession, for your county, for the government, for your churches, we ask God to do that.
Prayers are important, even for those ones. Like today, I expect that the clergy will pray for us. We come before God. All of us, we are sinners in one way or the other. Therefore, we come before God to put even the nation before God.
Ense moya siasa yekirana nigo yagokera masabayo ayuba igenetara igore na kororo byo bokoreri bwabo ase bikaro bye bunge ya Kisii birairanirere bene omotienyi oyo.
I know you have the resolve to work for the people of Kisii, and as you read Matthew 5:13-16, it says, "You are the salt and the light of the world."
And all these politicians here will wake up every day, even sometimes forgetting to pray because of the pressure of work. So when all seem to be turning dark, when it's becoming challenging, when you feel desperate, we are being asked to humble ourselves, seek God's face, and they will intercede for us.
Ase nkwano yo mugavana arati ni gasingirira buna maiga yo muroberi bwa masabo koera abise inagendere gusegeto bokorerio buya buraige kamagendera se chiwodi cyonse 45 chia Kisii.
Immediately the budget is passed, my first business, as I promised, is to do those 10 kilometers road network. We're going to do cabros in this town so that we can attract more investors. So that is it. No angel will fall from heaven to fix our current mess. We must purpose ourselves to fix it. We must feel for the society. We've been given an opportunity. Another person would have been given that position that you are in. I want to beg with you, my good people. Please.
Magega yo mojega bwa masaboye county ya Kisii kujara kobago kwera niko bono magavana Paul Simbarati arurira bana chikwana kibuno kubwatira no kuyankororo gatete semo ibere chobora ibwe county ya Kisii semo ya executive bwata ba chief officer amona ba waziri amona semo ya county assembly ya wate aba MCA kurwa chiwode merongene na isano che county ya Kisii ko reporter ya Ndizi TV koroiga sama gache assembly ya Kisii erietariane Ndemo Steven.
Chinga kiecho nigo mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati agania Gusii ko barigania baraibonsi asorogongo rwa Gusii wanchireria konde gutayo asate babuno muraibe kyama kya ODM Raila Amolo Odinga nigarachi okoretaro yaye ase county ya Kisii AKA.
In the days to come, I know our leaders, they are going to come to our county. The president is planning for a visit in this county. And I want to say, we will welcome the president. He's the president of the country. He's the president of this country. For those ones who voted for him, for those ones who didn't vote for him, he has to impress every person. As well, we impress for those ones who voted for us and for those ones who didn't vote for us. Therefore, in the near future, the president will be visiting with us. There are many things that we are pursuing. One of the things that Professor spoke of here is a $500 billion project, but I know there is negotiations. This week, the leader of Azimio, Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga, will be in Kisii. And I'm saying we're welcoming him to come, meet his people. We're welcoming all leaders. They come engage the people who voted for them and for those ones who didn't vote for them. These are our leaders. Kwa hivyo tuwakubalie waingie, wafanye kazi yao, waondoke, sisi tuendelee na maendeleo. Hakuna siasa sasa.
Chinga kiechi ama sababu igo nigakorekana ase ensemo ya Riang'ombe nene yugotoke wadi ya Kyogore bunge ya Nyaribari chache county ya Kisii ase abarai au gati abo bisabo borendi baba wekerana gukwana chinga kiecho nigo aba na inchi korwa sensemeyo barwa magani abo alibaganitia bega kurigereriwa anene koreto borendi abo igo obo gosoborendi ase ensemeyo muri kito Mildred Momanyi na roboti urwaso bwime
ninakuja kinyume ya pepo ya uchawi ya ulezi katika jina la Yesu Kristo.
Hata nchi yetu ya Kenya tunaiombea mfalme wa amani ukatawale nchi yetu ya Kenya, ukatawale viongozi wetu, rais wetu William Ruto na naibu wake, tunawakabidhi mbele zako Bwana Yesu, ukawatawale na ukawatetee wanapofanya kazi yako. Maadui ni wengi katika ulimwengu wa roho, tunawafunga na kuharibu katika jina la Yesu.
Amasabo imensi ya Kenya nigo akorekana ase ritukuria rero ase county ya Kisii etatuga magega ase kenyororia Nyang'ombe nene Yeremia ward ya Kyogoro imeye bunge ya Nyaribari chache amasabo na yo nigo akorekana gakoragwa no deputy county commissioner bwensemeyo asarenge na yiga guchase abamenyi bensemeyo.
Mambo ya ufisadi ambayo inatokana na maafisa wa usalama, hiyo pia nataka niahidi kwamba nitafuatilia. Yale majina mlikuwa mnasema kuna maafisa ambao wanahusika na mambo ya kuchukua hongo, nitaomba mpatie assistant county commissioner, naye atanipatia na najua vile nitashughulikia mambo hayo. Kwa hivyo natumai kwamba nikirudi ofisini mtaniambia shida ni hii, shida ni hii, shida ni hii. Tuondoe shida kati yenu, maisha yaweze kuendelea vile inastahili. Wale ambao wataendelea kupika pombe ama kuuza pombe, Tutawindana na wao usiku na mchana na hatutachoka kuwapeleka kotini. Hata wakipelekwa kotini waachiliwe kesho tena tunawashika. Sababu bado tuko kwa mshahara. Si tuko kwa mshahara.
Wewe ukiona chifu ama sana chifu hataki kushughulika, wewe niletea tu Machina. Wale vijana wanauza pangi. Wale waisi. Wewe tuleta Machina kwangu. Ndashukuma mpaka mwisho.
Asomo igoyo oichorwa no moikabwa masabo nigo abamenyi bakwanira ali abaganitie aikiraniwe ase yarekana buna amarwa nigo ali omuchando omonene asenseme yiga asomo MCA bwenseme yo abasaba ali abakoni gotigana wasonanya ase bintu ebyao
mtaje kila kitu hapa ndio siogopa. Nimefurahia umeongelea mambo ya pombe imeongelewa hapa huku na huku. Yes. Hata hiyo pombe naweza kuwa ulikuwa unafanya sababu ulikuwa na shida fulani ya school fees. So leo uongee tutafute njia ndio tutatoka kwa hiyo pombe. Usijione kwamba wewe ni mbaya kutoka katikati yetu. Hiyo ni njia ulipitia, sasa leo tunataka kutoka kwa hiyo njia tuende njia nyingine. There is always a process.
Boigoni gomo MCA bwenseme yo abasaba abamenyi wasonanya ase byombe au ibibira abakonye kwegendereria asa magimabo.
Watu wetu mkishikana mwingie groups, ile pesa itakuja iwafikie. Kazi yetu itakuwa kuuliza na kuongea na wale wakubwa na ofisi tofauti. Pia county tuko na ile tunataka kuweka ya youth na empowerment. Hiyo itakuja kusaidia watu wetu mkiwa kwa groups na mkiwa na projects na mkiwa mmeamua kusonga mbele. Where are we going that direction? Kazi zimekuwa shida. Hata tukisema tutaandika hakuna nafasi.
Ase chinga kecho nigo abasomba bomonene basaba kubwaterana asaba ibori elyo kwenekenga abana babonkonyora bali chisemi.
Wazazi ambao mko hapa, ninyi ndio mnahitajika kuwa pamoja kuandaa hawa watoto waende shule. Akirudi unamwandaa.
Kuripotelea Egetaseni kia Ndizi TV litaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Mbia mono umurikito Mildred Momanyi ase oroboti orwekroria ritko lyogo chengera abanchani ose Valentine's Day nigo ase county ya Kisii abali abarokana weso kya mono barabasibati abo bagura ebyewa au ase abanchi babo nonya nabo nigo bali abaunchorera bali bakonie ebintu birya mono amna mauga gose chikad chirianene chikwenanwa ase abanchani baba kwerera makungu bawetera ase bateba buna obonchorera nigo bwiranire insekere korenganiwa ne myaka ya magega murike ito Vincent Onyancha na baka gusangane gati yabo.
Tuna deal na vitu za Valentine, unajua leo ni Valentine.
Na nyori bikombe bibere byokogokia ekiane kyo mwanchione togo chikonywera ekenywa asemesa
nigo lyarengeri tukulya mugoko ase bali bayegwe byegwa na kono kibobonchani amo nabanchi babo ase kolenda abande batabwa teki bakogokera tali basaiboka bagokera litukeli kolende na sebonsi
sama lieta ngoro kutera sondeli korubogirango na rure korwenchira yonsi korubogirango netani lisunika paka na chirega iga bosongo ocha kogoria mauga tuachire kogora egire tuairira abanchi baito togorera abanchi baito tochikobagokia
chingaki chiboigo abantu nigo baboliwe korokyo bwanchani gochasaba mwabokire ngaki anena soko bagorre byegwa elyo kobagokia
asema lieta Silvestre Kongo korwa bonchali mate nje no munyapigipigi gose mwana boda boda neli tukolia Valentine mwanchanire babere iga nyumba eli ugeli na lali ndia basinya genda mwanchane minyoka ko koruboni iga igetarikiye koikamambie toke mwancha ine bururu ngende bona iga na inche mwancho na lya korangana molete kimwanchete
kolende asaba onchoreria niko bate abuna gekarengani gone myaka ya magagali tukeli ndreta tiga sarinde lyonsi anena abantu mbagoretie byegwa ao yuboigo ekorokana na kurwese geto asbali motaye gwe byegwa mubasego kwa moyo na nabangemure.
Mwaka huu Valentine iko chini kidogo kwa sababu watu sijui kama bana hawapendani, sijui kama mambo iko chini kidogo. Si kama miaka mingine kwa sababu miaka mingine tulikuwa tunauza vitu kadha wa kadha. Sasa hizi tuna deal na maua kama hizi.
Abasubati mbatigareti magega niko na barobu berwa elyo konyara kurwa na kogora ebyogo cyasaba kakababo ekyara karibu na tali bagakaboka babonete kogora ebyegwa
tuko ni fruits tuko bakira ngambi ya mona se Valentine yaitu na gore iro mugako ni sawadi ngakimuroje na moireire satinera igaye elikire nga Chinsa correction bono na bere igo abagaka ba minto totarere abanyina totarere bogorera abagaka ba minno na libatari go totama
asa bangeli tukeli ni goli konyara ko wesiko anene aso konyara koro kyobwanchani abange koirwa mauga kolende erangi tokora situkulia lero ne rangi mbaliri chianga chimbaliri amauga mabaliri ngati bintu biri bikurwe gwa go chiasa bali ba koro kyobwanchani asa bamwabo ekarukiri abande bagendrete kogoka na guchengera tukeliga abande baboni go batigara bakumeti anene asega ngabuna mbaro kiri bwanchani litukulia lero asebalia mwanyara ko webiegwa na mauga etogote babuna ongera ko reporter ya Ndizi TV lituko lya Valentine leterane nchinkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha.
Nakorwa se county ya Nyamira nigo egati yabamenyi be county yo basangane getaseni kya Ndizi TV ase baerera aria bagwetera egento kya bairera barabwo gutachengera litukeriga ogokonga kuboima kubatkana no komentekana kwa mogori ebinto negati emechanderi baba bakoerera ase nonya nabo baboririe serikali kweneke bunankoligererie renganeye na gotori obugima bwa Bakenya
isiarege no ndaiga se chiro ya kibirigo na lero nigo twaringa siri tukoria Valentine lakini litari kororekana kwa bali tukobuna lia linge korumaiga titanga nikigima na bato koraira nenya sawi tonambia mana asinge nchanchire twalikire ngane abantu ligokere tibuna konye twali kuligokera isababu enene totali kuligokera buna twaligokere te korumaiga ne linga na asinge ncho obogima bwaito bwabeiro bokongu asensemo ya uchumi nabo igo nonya na soko nyore bitoki asoko genderia magima yaito abera makongu bono ena bagaka bari baito kero kende kero tokubate batoire isikole ntochiko kabuna Valentine akoba mbabwati besa barakoreki baratoire ro mbabwati kende bona sengenche iyo Valentine yaito tebeti una amatuka maiga bete na mondigeri na mondo chekorwa guga na moroche mbegete uniform yane yo koligia asengencho yokonyore bitoki bikegere nkonyera abana igorende asengencho konyora kwabeire inse na kieko gera Valentine yaito etabete kulingana muna matukande yarikoba igona bona ari gusaba nge serikali yaito erigereri sana ekero na inde babegeta matuka ya manene munaya bainyuranga abantu mbaro baganiri gokonywa erinde bakeye uchumi iranense tonyore njira yo kuimukia amagimaito biye mono
Urugukare ni ateka kururi irumi yonde aiga sechio ya kebirigo nkonia lakini bondo asiri tukuria lero lirenganiria Valentine ria renge lakini bono ntuli na kende ndiri kororekana ngani litukuria Valentine asenge nju ya uchumi ya kongire twatwarire mejando obogote bwabeiro oborito bono gakie serikali yaito yali gwanja etokonye obogima bwa chenjire bwabeiro bwao etokonye buna konye amatuka ethire twarenge nende ya Nyasaye gutwanjira elinde batoe enjira batwaroroberie obogima bwa tokongeire paka twasinyiru osinyi kobeka nane yanga okobeka enjere nde yonsi bono ntori kunyora ituko ya Valentine na batole igo kare twari kubeka chimbaliri twabe buya tole era ini lakini lero egende bio tukali kubieba singe tuli na kende bono paka no ena maua twakabekire bono kende ntubwati lero na batole igo uchumi ya tokongeire twasinyirwe kitoko kora obwomo kubwama no kibirika igo tubwato obwomo aki yesu gato konye naende serikali yetu tigeto bwatisie erinde na intuto twale chinguru kiagera ntuli na kende ase tokwenyorera ntobwati ande nonya nkibiriko kana tokwenyorera akirende serikali nyali kutubwati neto aka musada gasinini erinde na intutu enyorere nabo tubwato obwomo igo tokona tutanganitiki yesu bosio yesu nero ratubwire erinde torore gusintu tamboke
Modesta kurwa sense mo ya nyango gerogoro nonda yo mo basi bali bachandike tibunango chekebirga igakweligeria ona gatari na bana bana litukulia Valentine twabera nyumba bano lero nonde chira iganchandike ono gakia serikali yaitu muturigereri mono nche timbwati ande gentekana ninchande gete
Mune nchira ya moyo gusira bangina aso kwa roberia chingaki na baigemeremeri bagokora nige kiombe kya maendeleo ya wanawake kubwatrana nebengi ya Equity babwatukira bokonyi bwechitangi cha mache ochiase egati ya bangina bebyombe au imeye county ya Nyamira okwana chingaki echo nigo abateneri korwa sebenki yo nabage kiombe kyo baganira bangina weso kya sobonge na kweri kya ase gosegoso ase byombe au ero konyora obokonyi obubura abasukie asa matukari muri kyoito job manki na manki
Buna enchira eye gusira abangina ekiombe kya bangina kya maendeleo ya wanawake bakobwaterana ne banki ya Equity Bank mbaena na chitangi asabangina au bare ase byombe ase orosagia rwa Nyamira goikira bono nigo baenende chitangi chimisato na 15 achi county emeronge na Isato bunatwa batokwererwa na Elizabeth Mayeka omoriki omonene bwekyombe imense ya Kenya.
We've been able to have, this is the 23rd county that is receiving tanks. We have been able to deliver 315 tanks.
Boigo enegati echinchira bagotumeka ase okorwania ogonchereria kwerire.
Like you see now how dry it is, they can be able to do some irrigation, and also depending on the size of the tank.
Stanley Baraza oyoromo bisakurwa se kiombe kya Equity Bank nate abanigo bagosira abangina elinde banyale gwetenenera.
About entrepreneurship, we teach them about budgeting, about investment. It goes a long way in helping them to invest in ways of making income to their families, and by so doing, for sure, when we give these mamas these tanks, we are supporting them to get clean energy for the family. And actually we find that when you support one mama, we are actually supporting the entire family and the entire community at large.
Elinde konyora chitangi echo omongina niga bwenrete gosoa ase kiombe ase bakogacha ensemo etibesa ekero baikirie ekerengo kebwenerete bamanya koegwa amakabesa.
Wamama wamepata matanksi ni Nyamira kwa bei isiyo kubwa sana, wakati wanalipa hata awasikii. They don't feel it. Ni vile wanatoa kidogo kidogo, lakini wale ambao wamejitoa wamepata tanks na leo wengine watapata.
Egati abali baegwa chitangi ekyo mbaorokia omochengo omonene ase bateba nchichiko bakonya anene mono ase okugendereria amagima abo.
Wamama wakiwa peke yao nimegundua kuwa uwezi fanya chochote. Ilipoingia wakaniambia kuna tangi ambazo wanapeana na mimi nikaregister, nikaingia kwa kikundi. Kwa muda mfupi tu nimefika wakati ambao ninapata hii tangi, kwa sababu hiyo niko na furaha kubwa.
Omokonyi bomo county commissioner ime county Nyamira Florence Obunga narwa esege tugo cha sabangina gosoa sebyombe elinde bachikonyora ogosirwa ne serikali nebyombe binde
to ensure that they join groups so that they can also get tanks. Water is very important, and they say water is life. Without water there is no life. So I want to encourage all women to be in groups so that they can also access this very important facility. That
Kuruase County Nyamira, ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Miyamono murikyoito job manki ase oroboti ururikiranu abarai bech kanisa aho korwase county ya Kisii nigo beso kirena kogikeria engana ye kanisa ya England Church of Kenya yokugania gosesenia na boigo kokoboko enyomo ase gatyo musacha no musacha gosomo kungu no mokungu okwana chinga kiecho barai abo nigo batebire buna engane yo nembe eyo erach koirera okoborwa kwa maskani na boigo kugenda mamincha neringana lyo monene murikyoito Josephat Amisi na bakagusanga nabo.
Mbagega ya Church of England kurubusibure bwa bantu kunyomana abasacha asabasacha gusaba kungwa saba kungu bono nigo abarai abechi kanisa besokirie na kubwatoka ebirengereri byabo.
Kanisa ya Anglican Church of Kenya na boy God diocese itoka Kisii ne kanisa ya Africa kibona Global South nigo chikanete ogosira kurwa samariko twegenete ng'a enyuomo Nyasaye ochikira sing'ana lyaye ng'enyuomo ngati y'omusacha n'omukungu abanjiranire komanyamo omusacha na omukungu na enyuomo nigere gati y'omusacha oyomo n'omukungu oyomo tari omusacha oyomo n'abakungu abandi.
There is no marriage of man and man. Mungu hakuumba Adamu na Adamu ama Hawa na Hawa. Mungu aliumba Adamu na Hawa. Sijui kama Hawa ni nani katika hao ama Adamu ni nani katika hiyo. So maoni yangu ni kwamba hiyo ni kitu haiwezekani.
Kurende mbarabia baba bweranete ko baba konyomana.
Naende iwekane amari kama chenu igabegete wasi enyangi gose nyomo nige gwenete koba gati y'omusacha n'omukungu tari omukungu n'omukungu goso omusacha n'omusacha ekinege ntekebe ase Nyasaye naende ngigwenere dikigwekane okubona ogosiria ogokorekania amarika amachenu naende ogotaka gosiria ching'ondi chia Nyasaye.
Abatenene abo boigo nigo basemirie abatenene bande bechikanisa banyale ko bagutumia eBiblia rinde banyale ko bakora ching'ondi chiabo gochia ase enchera ewenerete.
Parliamentarian vale bongeresa abange babona abantu bense bakorosye bintu biense baerelishye kanisa ne kanisa ne akabage ko sanction etie igama chikaye amange niga originate tiase House of Lords and Commons ibakorosye machiko bono mu Bishop of Canterbury na Bishop balibara ase Parliament ba Lords baba taken because democracy odana wengi wape
no ena abantu abarespia nando homosexuals tidiko baunga bari n'abana ba Nyasaye tiga baorokereriwe baje se Kristo lakini nto baita Yesu na kanisa mangana hiyo.
Makanisa yote madhehebu yote tujue our headquarter is one and our leader is one. Headquarter yetu ni mbinguni na mdosi wa kanisa ni Kristo Yesu. Tufuate mafundisho yake na tufuate vile anatuambia. What you are propagating is satanic, is evil and it is never right. I speak as a man of God na kwa niaba yangu na kwa niaba ya kanisa na kama mtumishi wa Mungu. Ndoa za jinsia moja ni ushetani.
Kuripoti Taseni kia Ndizi TV kure kaunti ya Kisii, editara na Josephat Hamisi.
Mbuya mono umurikito Josephat Hamisi ase orobotururikiranu musangiririkano monene bo gosabire mbura imense ya Kenya nigo korekana asense moya nyayo imemuchu Nairobi awase abarai awabe serikali bakora n'umurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto baba bawikirana egati yabarai bechdini au okwana chinga kecho Dr. Ruto nigabanekeria ba Kenya una masabayo na chikokore meremo na igo bune serikali mbe aliganetie gochia kwenekia una embusurongo chirego kiniwa iligokonya Bakenya asogokora umuchando w'enchara.
Na nataka niwaeleze ya kwamba kama serikali tumefanya mipango yote, mipango ya mbolea, mipango ya mbegu, mambo yale ambayo yanahitajika ili tujitayarishe, kwa sababu tunajua Mungu atatupatia mvua na Kenya itakuwa na chakula na tutaondoa aibu ya njaa katika taifa letu la Kenya. I am very proud that the church has rediscovered its place in the governance of the Republic of Kenya and that you have come to occupy your place. Let me also say that God has opened the doors for our nation. I want you to know, because I speak from a position of knowledge, our nation, the doors in the financial systems in the international community were closed for our nation. But I want to give you the good news that now the financial system in the world has opened the doors once more for Kenya.
Chinga kiechio Dr. Ruto niga kwanira chibesa chia NSSF asikeria teba buna nigo abakori mirimo barachi wakana ekerengo kia isano nemo nabaigo abanyene chigasi wakana ekerengo ye isano nemo erio komenta chibese chuchira chikokonya ase amatukari busyo.
We have opened the door to savings in our nation. The NSSF law now guarantees that every citizen will save 6% of their salary and every employer will save 6% to accompany that of the employee so that we can build savings for our nation and create an inheritance for our future and for our children's children.
Omori kiomane nase kiombe kiabakori emirimo kotu Francis Atuoli niga mwenekeiri umurai wense n'abakori emirimo bonsi nigo bawucha kubwatrana ne serikali iriwekirani obokoreri obuya ase ense ya Kenya okwana ase nyumba y'oburai ya State House nigo Atuoli boigo agania abakenya wanchirana nobuna umurai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto na kubwatrana nerero kwenekia onsi Amerika wikirana.
You cannot reverse. You can say, I don't like it, I don't want it, but you can't reverse. And such situations must be accepted. We as workers, Your Excellency, we must recognize the government as we work with the government of the day. The government provides an enabling environment for all of us to be able to do our different types of work in our offices. Government provides Minister of Labor for us. The government provides all labor officers throughout the Republic of Kenya. And the government recommends on what should be done as far as improving terms and conditions of service of workers are concerned. So there is no way. This is an irreversible. We accepted and we resigned our resolution.
Omurai we kiama kia Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nigo amochiria barai kurwase byama awe bibire ase obomobwa Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya askeria tairo no kogenda mamincha no kugania kwe byama enigago cha magega ya barai kurwase obomobwo kogatarira enyo ose utarira murai wense ase nyomba y'oburai ya State House imeyo mucho Nairobi eriogo kwanira amangana ao.
Mheshimiwa wabunge wenu wa chama cha Wiper kutoka Makueni, wakati mulikuwa na kikao maalum 2 weeks kule Mombasa, mulipatiwa special invitation ya kwenda State House. Na nyinyi nyote hamukwenda, all of them, because sio kwamba walikuwa na tabia mbaya ama wanaheshimu mamlaka. Ni kwa vile walisema kama unataka tuje Ikulu, ngoja tupate idhini ya chama. At least mujulishe chama. Vile nijua kwamba wenu Wavinya and Mutula were going for the governors meeting, I knew as a party leader.
Chinga kiechio nigo egatia barai kurwase bunke ya Gemwe kaunti ya Siaya beso kirie na kumwegerera omubunko bo Elisha Odhiambo aso kumutarira omurai wense na kugania barai ba Azimio utiga komochia abarai yabo askere baterune chinga kia barai bo bwente kubwatrana eryo koreta magenderero.
I've talked and agreed on the following. Yes. Honorable Elisha Odhiambo remains our party patron and remains our constituency MP until the end of his first 5 years in office. We are not going to apologize to anybody. Yes. For this permission we have given to our Honorable MP, Honorable Elisha Odhiambo. Yes. And we are giving him another chance, yes, to go to State House as many times as possible. Yes.
Hii ndio kauli ambayo tumetoka nayo. Sema. Kauli yetu tumekubaliana kwamba tulituma mjumbe wetu Elisha Odhiambo ili atuwakilishe katika parliament na katika maendeleo zote ya game.
Ebunge nene nigo yatware bikaro iri gukwanira mang'ana ao ayo arengete obokoreri ase ebunge ukwana chingake cyo monogeri bwebunge Moses Wetangula nigo ateba n'abachumbe mbwenete kwenekerwa oburendi boisaide ase abakago soma machikonsi ali abwenete kobwatiwa ase ebunge nabayigo isiko yebunge.
The last communication of our members is on security arrangements within the precincts of Parliament. Honorable members, as you may be aware, there has been heightened security arrangements within the precincts of Parliament. The objective is to provide the necessary security and protection services to all members, staff, and visitors. The precincts of Parliament should at all times be a secure environment. Of note, honorable members, the security measures in place may lead to some discomfort and inconveniences. In this regard, I request all honorable members to accommodate the discomfort and cooperate with the agencies charged with the responsibility of providing security. Consequently, honorable members, I further request all members to reduce the number of visitors at any time and in all places, including at the restaurants. In addition, all staff are directed to put on their parliamentary identification badges at all times. Honorable members, in view of the above and due to the heightened security situation, I call upon all members to accord the necessary cooperation and support to officers from the Sergeant-at-Arms, Safety and Security Department of Parliament and the officer commanding Parliament Police Station, who are responsible for providing our security. These officers are also mandated to conduct stringent screening of members' vehicles before allowing access into the precincts of Parliament. The Sergeant-at-Arms, Safety and Security Department of Parliament, the officer commanding Parliamentary Police Station, the OCS, and other security agencies are instructed to enforce the security arrangements and measures at all times. I thank you.
Umugavana we county ya Machakos wa Vinyandeti nigo amochire bororo aigati ya barai bali bagukwana bobeko igoro ya barai kurwa sensemo ya Bukamba ukwana chinga kecho ni gatebire n'abakamba nabarabomba bwate chinguru anene chokora ense asamuganirio omuraibe kyama kya Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka komoburi muraibe kyama kya ODM Raila Amolo Odinga komobwatia asokuboria ekirogo kyo buraibe ense asobochore bonene bu mwaka wetu 2022 na Isano na Ibere.
Hapa kuna watu sisi tumewasupport kama jamii ya Wakamba miaka mingi na wako na audacity ya kusimama wanasema ati Mkamba ni nini? Ati Mkamba ni nini? Hilo madharau mtawacha. Hilo madharau mtawacha. Maneno ya kuona Wakamba kama ni ghasia tuko na nyinyi. Hawezi kusema ati Mkamba ni nini? Mkamba ni nini? Mkamba ukifanya nini siasa za Kenya, Mkamba ako ndani ya map. Kama Mkamba haegemei pande fulani ama pande fulani, siasa za Kenya haziwezi kuendelea. Kwa hivyo as Kamba community, and I'm telling our His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, sisi hatutaki kuchukuliwa na madharau na mtu. Na wacha nikwambie, sifichi sasa, Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka, ambia Raila akuje nyuma yako. Support His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka. And I'm telling you with no fear or favor, if you do not support him, we are not with you.
Mwanchi omuliro roboti orukurase county ya Machakos na rogotoreta omoerio bwamaye Chinsa Isato ase enchera ereyo bwekiranu ekeronde dokumanya buna omuraibense Dr. William Samuel Ruto oraririe libaga ase ekerogo kyobonyakerogo ase kyombe kyabachori ne chimbebe IBC nabo igo libaga lya ba commissioner batano ase ekyombe kyo. Mwanchi omulembia manaso konyora chinga kyao kubwatemero beriye getaseni kya Ndizi TV anene kubwatia amangana maya eketo kumanya buna gendrete watka korwa chinsemo ao ime yense ya Kenya. Endra utanyora sensemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital, sensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News, na bogo tweet wetera @Ndizi TV News, boigo ase website ito tonyora wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendre gusanga mankeri triane Evalino Sero twawatira nanere Joshua Uta kwenekea wikeira sensemo imanyeriro na boigo Petronila Mukeira uyo enekea una chibichanerio gi cya wikeire asenchira ya bene twaro bulgereri borobya